Earl Nightingale, the key to unlocking unlimited success and wealth. In the bustling realm of personal development, one name stands out as a beacon of inspiration: Earl Nightingale, the Success Maestro. This charismatic speaker and author dedicated his life to empowering individuals to unlock their inner potential and achieve remarkable success. But unlike some motivational gurus offering fleeting hype, Nightingale offered practical, time-tested principles distilled from his own experiences and extensive research. Let's delve into the essence of Nightingale's wisdom and explore how his insights can unlock your journey towards unlimited success and wealth. 1. The power of your thoughts. We become what we think about, declared Nightingale, emphasizing the profound impact of your thoughts on your reality. He wasn't just talking about positive thinking. It's about consciously shaping your thinking patterns. Instead of dwelling on limitations and self-doubt, cultivate a mindset of abundance, believing in your abilities to achieve your goals. Imagine success, visualize yourself reaching your full potential, and surround yourself with positive affirmations. This shift in thinking forms the foundation for attracting the positive outcomes you desire. 2. Dream big, plan smart. Nightingale believed in the power of having a clear vision. Don't just aim for vague wishes like being happy or being successful. Define what those terms mean to you in concrete terms. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This provides a roadmap for your success journey, guiding your actions and helping you track your progress. Remember, success is rarely achieved in one giant leap. It's a progressive realization of a worthy ideal built upon consistent forward movement. 3. Break free from the crowd. Nightingale challenged the notion of blindly following the herd. He urged individuals to embrace their individuality and take responsibility for their own success. Don't be afraid to chart your own course, even if it means going against the grain. Pursue your unique passions, develop your talents, and dare to be different. This doesn't mean disregarding valuable lessons from others. Learn from mentors, observe successful individuals in your field, but never lose sight of your own unique path. 4. Collaboration, not competition. Nightingale advocated for a mindset of abundance, where success doesn't come at the expense of others. Instead of focusing on cutthroat competition, shift your focus to creating value and unique contributions. There's enough abundance for everyone to succeed. Focus on building partnerships, collaborating with others, and offering unique solutions to benefit the community as a whole. 5. Action is the spark. Nightingale emphasized that brilliant ideas are just the first step. The real magic happens when you translate those ideas into concrete actions. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Take consistent, small steps, learn from mistakes, and never stop evolving. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the key to achieving your goals. 6. Embrace gratitude, appreciate the present. Gratitude unlocks a treasure chest of positivity and abundance. Don't get caught up in the constant chase for more. Instead, acknowledge and appreciate the blessings you already possess: your health, your skills, your supportive network. This shift in perspective fosters a sense of abundance and empowers you to leverage existing resources to create a future filled with purpose and fulfillment. 7. Sacrifice is the seed of success. Significant achievements rarely come effortlessly. Be prepared to invest your time, energy, and resources in pursuing your goals. This involves making sacrifices, overcoming challenges, and persevering through setbacks. Remember, the greater the reward, the greater the dedication required. 8. Service as a pathway to growth. Nightingale believed in the power of genuine help and service to others. Don't be afraid to lend a helping hand, share your knowledge, and contribute to your community. By focusing on supporting others, you not only enhance their lives, but also expand your network, gain valuable experience, and cultivate a sense of fulfillment that fuels your own success journey. 9. Learning from failure, building resilience. Nobody is perfect, and setbacks are inevitable. Don't view failures as final destinations, but rather as learning opportunities. Analyze your mistakes, understand what went wrong, and use those insights to improve and become more resilient. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the learning process that leads to it. 10. Start today. Seize the moment. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Don't wait for the perfect time. There is no such thing. Start today, even with small steps. Take action, embrace the journey, and trust the process. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Beyond the principles. While Nightingale's principles provide a valuable foundation, remember that achieving unlimited success and wealth requires more than just mindset. Here are some additional insights for your journey. Develop practical skills. Success rarely happens in a vacuum. Invest in acquiring skills relevant to your goals, whether through formal education, workshops, online courses, or self-study. Continuously seek knowledge and refine your skills to stay ahead of the curve. Network with empowered individuals. Surround yourself with supportive people who inspire and challenge you to grow. Build relationships with successful individuals in your field. Join professional organizations and participate in events that foster learning and networking. Embrace continuous learning. The world is constantly evolving, and so should your knowledge base. Develop a growth mindset, embracing lifelong learning as a key component of success. Read industry-related books and articles, attend workshops, and stay updated on the latest trends and technologies. Remember, abundance encompasses more than just material possessions. It's about living a fulfilling life filled with meaningful relationships, good health, personal growth, and a sense of purpose. While Nightingale's principles offer guidance for financial success, remember that true abundance encompasses a holistic approach to well-being and happiness. Embrace the journey. Achieving unlimited success and wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon. As you embark on this journey, remember these key points. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own unique journey and celebrate your progress, however big or small. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities. Analyze them, learn from them, and use them as stepping stones to growth. Find joy in the process. Cultivate a positive attitude, celebrate milestones, and appreciate the journey itself. Never stop striving. As you achieve one goal, set new challenges for yourself and continue evolving. Earl Nightingale's wisdom offers timeless principles that can propel you towards a life of unlimited success and wealth. However, remember that the journey is yours to define and create. Embrace these principles, personalize them to your unique path, and never stop striving for growth, satisfaction, and a life that aligns with your deepest aspirations. Now go forth, armed with the knowledge and inspiration you need to unlock your full potential and create a life of abundance, defined by your own terms. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, click the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload another video. Also, comment and share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. You are blessed.